Hello, my name is Anita Raj. This is an instructional video in which I'm going to be showing you how to use eCoreAcademy, a platform that my brother and fellow representative AJ Raj and I developed. Links to our website and YouTube channel are shown on this slide. Let me begin by taking you to the website, but before I dive into its functionalities, I'll tell you about it. eCoreAcademy is a free online e-learning platform where students curate course content for other students, developed by my brother and me over the summer of 2020. It began at the advent of the pandemic with the goal of helping students, teachers, parents, and other members of the worldwide educational community cope with the difficulties of distance learning, and we continue to develop it into a comprehensive platform. Now let's start walking through the features of the website. At the top right corner, there are buttons to access our social media, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, along with our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is where our video lessons can be accessed, but the website contains additional material not available on the channel. Next, you can take a look at the 5 tabs you can navigate through: Home, Subjects, Founders, About Us, and Contact. I'll start by briefly showing you the home page. As we scroll, you can see the interactive design of the website. Here is our official welcome video along with an active counter of the amount of lessons and courses available on the platform. And you will see buttons prompting the user to sign up interspersed throughout this page, which we will discuss later. If I click on the About Us page, you will see brief paragraphs that talk about our goals of connecting students worldwide with premium and free course content produced by top-notch students teaching here at eCoreAcademy. Now you'll see the Founders page featuring myself and AJ, and here we simply mention how we both are the co-founders of an entirely student-based content creating community that is here to serve the needs of the global education community. I would like to spend the majority of this video going over our subjects in this tab. As I scroll, you can see that we have a wide variety of growing subjects, ranging from academic subjects offered typically in high school from grades 9 through 12, along with non-academic extracurricular subjects. The amount of lessons and content you will find is also actively recorded for each subject, as seen here. I'll show you a sample by clicking on our math subject. You will then be taken to an organized course page that shows all the courses we offer under the given subject, along with the images of the students who are teaching their respective courses. These courses go from late middle school all the way to late high school, organized sequentially by the year in which a student would typically take them. Within each course, the curriculum is broken down into lessons, and the lessons are arranged chronologically by how one would learn them in class over the course of a year to make it easier for the student to navigate. If I click on geometry, you will see we are taken to the specific course page. The About tab is at the top, where you can see the teacher's specific message to the students about expectations and goals for the course. On the Lessons page, you will see each of the lessons chronologically ordered, starting with the introduction video and continuing. Our lessons are in the forms of videos, and these videos are posted on YouTube. As you scroll down the page, you will see more videos, and you can go to the next page for the next set of videos. Those same YouTube videos are embedded on our in the website, so they can be viewed by students directly on the website, which I'll demonstrate here. As you can see, the video is loading and it's playing straight from YouTube. To access the features shown here, including the notes and quiz, you can create a free account using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google easily. I'll log in with Facebook for this demonstration. Each lesson also offers a Notes tab. For example, when you click the Notes tab for measuring angles, you get access to 2 PDFs. The first PDF is a student notes sheet. We have developed these skeleton notes for a student to print out or put into an app like Notability on a tablet to fill in the blanks and take their own structured notes as they follow along with the teacher in the lesson video. We also have a master answer key for students to go back and check their answers, which is also attached to the lesson on the website, as you can see here. After learning the lesson to assess themselves, students can take our quiz. The quizzes are multiple choice, as seen here, and they include relevant topics and problems covered in the video. Students can read a question, select an answer, and go to the next question. After submitting, students can see their scores, what they answered correctly, and what they answered incorrectly. Once finishing a lesson, a student can hit mark as read, and their progress will be recorded at the top of the page. They can also shrink the lessons so they can focus solely on one lesson at a time if it is visually distracting. If they would like to share a lesson with friends, there is an easy share option here. Lastly, we can cover the Contact Us button, which is under this tab. Students and other users could easily contact us by using these by using the responsive fields shown here in this on this page. Overall, eCoreAcademy is great for learning, reinforcing, or reviewing material and could be a great asset for the whole education community. Thank you for joining me.